Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. To begin, head over to Effects and search for Color Key. Then drag it onto your video clip. Now go to Effect Controls and scroll down to the Color Key effect. Click the little eyedropper icon next to it. Move over to the preview screen and click on a part of your background color. Next, click the Settings icon in the Program Monitor and enable Transparency Grid from the options. Now adjust the color tolerance edge thin and edge feather until your background completely disappears. Be careful not to increase them too much, or parts of your subject may start disappearing as well. Now import your own background underneath it to create a custom scene. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips.